This video is to show you how to use the scan function on the Canon copiers. As always, when you go up to a copier, use on this left-hand side where the hand is, use your card to badge in. If it's the first time you're using your card, you'll need to register, logging in using your username and password when prompted. Again, that username should not be your full email address, but the portion before at lineartech.edu. After you've logged in, you should see this screen. Click on Scan and Send. The easiest thing to do here is to hit Send to Myself. And you've got all your options over here on the right-hand side. It's going to automatically know who you are and fill out this information. And then you hit your green button, and it will go ahead and ask you for what size the original paper is. Click OK, and it is going to scan in and start sending. It's going to then email that directly to you. When the email arrives, it may take it a minute or two. It will look like this and will come from uniflow at lineartech.edu with a subject of scanned from copier. And here is the attachment, which of course in this case is a blank page, but opens up in PDF. And that is how you would scan to yourself. If you want to, you can create a new destination. Right now we're only covering how to email, so you would click Email and enter in the email address here, and then that would be a saved destination for you to use. We are going to connect the address book. It is not connected during the time of this recording. We are going to connect the address book to our main system, and you will be able to see the listing of everyone's email address here, and you can search by name and type in a portion of the person's name and be able to find their email address quickly. Though honestly, the easiest thing to do often is send to myself, and then you can forward that email wherever you'd like for it to go. And that is how you do scanning from the new Canon copiers.